This week we are gonna do a little craft project, and we've been using scoops here at school. We're gonna make our own scoop using a milk jug, and it can be a gallon one, it can be a smaller one than this. We want to make something that we can throw either overhand or underhand and catch either overhand or underhand with an object, because we've been learning how to do that with scoops in PE. So the first thing I'm going to do with my container is I'm going to take the handle and make sure the handle is down. So this is going to be on a corner. It's not going to lay flat, so I'm going to have to hold this on the corner. And I want to cut about half of this away this way, and I'm going to cut to the other two corners and cut around here on the bottom so that I can make a scoop. You need an adult to do this because we are going to use some sharp things, and we don't want to have any accidents. We don't want anybody to get cut. So I am going to take a sharp knife to start with, and right about in line with where my handle is, I'm going to just kind of go around, and right in the middle on this top corner, I'm going to go and I'm just going to make a hole in my container so that I can get started with my scissors, because my scissors are going to be able to cut a lot better than my knife will be. So I'm going to cut this side all the way down till I get to the corner. When I get to the middle of that corner, I'm going to stop. I'm going to go the other way now, and I'm going to cut to the middle of the corner on this side. And then once I get to the corners, I'm going to cut down to the bottom, and I'm going to go right around the middle of the bottom. And then back up the other side. Cut that little piece off. And now I have a scoop that I can throw and catch with. If you remember from earlier, we made a sock ball. I used 2 pairs of socks. I took one sock and rolled it up into a ball, put it all the way down into the bottom of the other sock, and then just kept folding back and forth until it is a ball that stays together. So now you have a scoop that you can use. You can hold it by the handle. You can, when we catch with scoops, we've learned that we're going to pretend like the ball is heavy, and when the ball lands in our scoop, we're going to bring our scoop down a little bit, because our scoop does not have fingers. It can't grab things. So we're going to bring our scoop down to catch with. So you can try that, just throwing and catching to yourself with your hand first. You can try throwing with your scoop and catching it with your hand. We also did in PE, threw with our scoop and caught with our scoop. You gotta make sure you hold this really flat when you throw, so that your throw goes straight up. If I tip it at all, my throw kind of goes back towards me or over my head. So I have to hold this really flat, and I have to move my scoop underneath where the ball is. I can also throw it overhand like this. If I hold on, if I have my hand on the handle like this, I just have to move it up over my shoulder. And we talked about this scoop the ball will stay in a little bit better than the scoops that we have at school, because this end isn't really like this. It's a lot flatter. So if you tip it too far this way, the ball will roll out before you get a chance to throw it. So we talked about this scoop being like a moon, and if we throw overhand, we want to go over our shoulder, and we want to go moon to moon so that we can throw the ball. Now, if you have more than one container like this, you could make more scoops, and then you'd be able to play catch with scoops. You can have one person throwing with their hands and catching with their hands, the other person throwing and catching with the scoop, and then trade. Or if you can make more than one, then you'll have some bonus scoops to use. And if you have enough, everybody could have a scoop at home, and that is something that you could do either inside or outside, as long as you use a ball that is soft enough, if you're doing it inside, where you're not going to break anything. So that is our work with Scoops this week, and hopefully I will see everybody again.